I'm going to use this page to complete JW7 on IXL, which is a lesson on area word problems. But I only have to write down the area calculations that I cannot judge in my head. So on IXL, I'm going to search JW7. A square platter has sides that are 10 inches long. What is the platter's area? So area is equal to height times width, the height dimension multiplied by the width dimension. It has sides that are 10 inches long. 10 times 10 is 100. Yeah, I could do that in my head, so I'm not going to finish writing it. A rectangular garage is 9 meters wide and 10 meters long. What is its area? So area, again, is the height dimension multiplied by the width dimension. 9 meters times 10 meters. I can do that in my head. I'm not going to write it. A square piece of gold has sides that are 2 millimeters long. What is the piece of gold's area? So area means that I'm multiplying. They told me that the sides are 2 millimeters long, and this is a square, so the height and the width are the same. 2 millimeters times 2 millimeters equals 4 square millimeters. I can do that in my head. I do not have to write it down. So now, in this question, they asked me, how long is each side of the tile? A square kitchen tile has an area of 100 square inches. How long is each side of the tile? So, area, the area of the rectangle divided by the height of the rectangle would be equal to the width of the rectangle, right? I can write a different form of this multiplicative relationship. They told me the area, and they asked me how long is each side. A square kitchen tile. There's a key word, square. So what number? So 100 divided by what number equals that same number? Or asked another way, what number multiplied by itself will give me 100? 1 times 1 is too small. 5 times 5 is 25, that's too small. 12 times 12, 144, that's too big. 10 times 10 is just right. I don't have to write down more than I need. Always want to work smart. Okay, work hard, but work smart. If you find yourself thinking this is a stupid waste of time, you're probably doing something wrong. I never want you to waste your time, because if you waste your time, you waste your life. I do not want you to waste your time. My question is, how long is it? The area of a rectangular dining room is 40 square meters. The dining room is 5 meters wide. How long is it? I'm going to write area of a rectangle divided by the width dimension is equal to the height dimension. So 40 square meters divided by 5 meters is equal to 8 meters. So how long is it? It is 8 meters. A cabinet door is 8 inches wide and 18 inches tall. What is its area? I cannot judge 8 times 18 in my head because I'm only in the 4th grade. So area of a rectangle is calculated by multiplying the height dimension times the width dimension. 18 inches tall, 8 inches wide, (64) 144 square inches. Great job. A square field has sides that are 20 meters long. What is the field's area? So I'm looking at 20 times 20. It'll be useful to write it down. Not because you can't figure out the answer in your head, but because you're more likely to make a mistake because you lost track of the zero. 2 times 2 is 4, but you need to put the correct number of automatic zeros. So that's 400. Alright, last one. How tall is it? So I'm looking for a side length. The area of an envelope is 45 square inches. The envelope is 8 inches wide. So I'm going to be doing the area of the rectangle divided by the width dimension is equal to the height dimension. 45 square inches. I'm going to cross that out. 45 square inches divided by 9 inches is equal to the height. 45 divided by 9 is 5, so that's going to be 5 inches. How tall is it? It is 5 inches tall or 5 inches high.